Wasabi Cloud Storage Honest Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're looking for an affordable, high-performance cloud storage solution, Wasabi promises unlimited potential, but is it really worth it? One of the biggest pros is cost-effectiveness. Most people get this wrong by assuming cloud storage always comes with high monthly fees. Wasabi offers flat-rate pricing without hidden charges, which can save businesses and individuals hundreds of dollars compared to traditional cloud providers. It also provides high-speed uploads and downloads, which is crucial if you work with large files like videos or backups. Another advantage is security. Wasabi includes built-in data immutability and strong encryption, which protects against accidental deletion or ransomware attacks. For businesses, this makes it a reliable choice for long-term backup storage. It's compatible with popular cloud tools and is compatible APIs, making migration or integration straightforward. However, there are cons. The platform focuses purely on storage, so it lacks advanced cloud services like databases, iTools, or serverless computing that competitors may offer. Some users report that customer support can be slow for troubleshooting specific technical issues. Also, while storage costs are low, retrieval fees can add up if you frequently download large amounts of data. In conclusion, Wasabi Cloud Storage is ideal for anyone prioritizing cost-effective, secure, and fast cloud storage. The surprising truth is that while it's simple and reliable, it's not a one-stop solution for all cloud computing needs. For those seeking a straightforward, high-performance storage solution without breaking the bank, Wasabi delivers. But understanding your usage patterns and download needs ensures you get the most value from the platform.